Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram post music not working or post music ad problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your Instagram application. Click on plus icon. Select any picture. Tap on next. Tap on music or audio. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram post music not working or Instagram post music ad problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.